One of Montego Bay's resident madmen was given a sound beating by a middle-aged hospital nursing aide on Friday evening after he tried to steal a fistful of cash that the lady was counting. The incident occurred in Sam Sharpe Square on the piazza of the National Commercial Bank building as the woman was walking along the corridor. The man, who sported dirty dreadlocks and filthy clothes, were also carrying a knapsack on his back. He walked up behind the nursing aide, snatched the bills from her hand and tried to make his escape. But he was no match for the senior, who charged furiously after him, ripped her money from his hands and fired several whacks over his head and other sections of his body with her handbag, as bystanders cheered her on and laughed. "No ramp with me," she said as she rained blows on his body. She then hauled the madman's knapsack from his back and flung it into the middle of the street. "A thief, him a gwan like him mad. Nuff a dem no mad, a thief dem," one vendor who was in the vicinity said. A security guard who had run to the woman's rescue, helped to retrieve some of the bills which had fallen to the ground and handed them back to her. She stuffed them in her handbag and strolled off to her destination like a boss. This is not the first time women have been preyed upon by seemingly mentally ill men in Montego Bay. In 2017, a 7th grader of the St. James High School was hospitalized after she was attacked by a man of unsound mind. The little girl was walking along Cornwall Avenue when the man approached and hit her in the head with a piece of iron and ran. Man was chased by a mob which cornered him on Barnett Street, where he was severely beaten and stabbed, before being rescued by the police.